Hi, and welcome to another GoDial integration tutorial video. In this video, we'll walk you through how to integrate GoDial with Google Sheets so your data syncs with GoDial in real time. Start by logging into your GoDial web dashboard using your manager account credentials. Navigate to the Integration tab and click on Google Sheet Sync Integration. Here, activate the Google Apps Script API. Click on Open Google Apps Script Settings and enable the Google Apps Script API. Then go to Google Sheet Sync Integration and click Connect Google Sheets. Choose the Google account you'd like to integrate. Click on Advanced, then select Go to GoDial Data Sync Tool for Sheets. Grant the necessary permissions and click Continue. Next, select the Google Sheet you want to sync with GoDial. Open the chosen sheet, click on the GoDial menu, then go to Settings and Authorize Access. Select your account, click Advanced, and then go to GoDial Integration, followed by Continue. Approve all requested permissions. Now, you'll need to enter your access token. You can find this token under the Integrations tab in the External API section of GoDial. Copy and paste it into the designated field. Then, select the list in GoDial where you want the contacts from your Google Sheet to be added. Make sure to properly map the columns between your Google Sheet and GoDial. Then click Save Settings. Click on Extensions in Google Sheets, then go to Apps Script and select GoDial Integration. In the left panel, click Triggers. To set up the On-Edit trigger, go back to the Google Sheet Integration section in GoDial and follow the on-screen steps. In the Google Sheet, go to Settings, then click on Add Trigger. Under Choose which function to run, select Send New Row Data. Under Select Event Type, choose on Edit and click Save. Head over to the CRM tab in GoDial and open the selected list. You should now see the contacts have synced from your Google Sheet. From now on, every time a new contact is added to the Google Sheet, it will be instantly synced to GoDial. You can follow the same steps to connect multiple Google Sheets. We hope this video helps you successfully connect your Google Sheets with GoDial. For more tutorials and CRM integration tips, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.